Okay, you know you have no life and no friends when you spend your Friday evening alone with your daughter sleeping upstairs, trying to fix old, cheap, throwaway, so-called high fidelity. There's nothing high fidelity about this. This is like, I'm so impressed with this machine, I have to tell you. It's like a tiny little receiver, a little Radio Shack receiver. And it's got a full, it's got a tape, it's got the tape, it's got the 8track, it's got a phono pre, and it's got an auxiliary tuner input. Looks like I gotta clean that off or whatever. And it's just actually very like well built inside. It's Japanese. It's got a plywood body. And it's, I don't know what the specs are. I haven't looked it up. I don't even think there's a model number on it. I'll have to find out. But it slaps. It's like probably 3 watts per channel. And let's put on something so we can hear this thing. This is like a classic 8-track. Let's get this on here. So it's a warm up. There's like there's nothing hi-fi about it.
I looked out this morning and the sun was gone. Turned on some music to start my day. And lost myself.
Probably loud, literally loud enough for like a girl's bedroom, you know? And it's driving some, these are some old like Dynaco 25s, which are great sound speakers. But I mean, I don't know. It's actually pretty well made. I cleaned up all the pots. It's like crystal clear. It's actually got a really good tone to it, believe it or not.
The faces fade as the years go by.
Really quite sparkly, actually. I was in there cleaning the heads, lubricating the parts, cleaning off the flywheel, and I'm so amazed by this thing. Let's check out the auxiliary input here. What do we got? We got my. These are like, I guess these are kind of like retro now. Yeah, let's do some Snoop here.
I'm seriously, what y'all niggas got? Hey baby, get some bubble gum in this motherfucker, something. Right, maybe it's on you, dog. Study long, study wrong.
Like, it actually sounds pretty fucking good. I just can't believe it.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D or Double G. But I somehow, some way, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G's and make a few
like the stereo separation is good.
2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the doors. But for what? We don't love you hoes. Yeah. So we gon' smoke an ounce to this. G's up, hoes down, while you motherfuckers bounce to this.
Rolling down the street, smoking in and out.
Now that I got
So impressed. I just love this stuff.